Okay, this is my 2009 Ford Fusion, and every once in a while it won't start and it does this. No start. Now sometimes if I turn the wheel, hold it, it starts. Hold the wheel and turn at the same time. But not today. Okay, so sometimes this works too. I got the car and shake it. So I'm just gonna look a little crazy out here, but I'll shake my car.
Here he is shaking his car.
Shake. Then you get in and nothing. Okay. Let me give it one more shake. Okay.
Another shake again.
I'm gonna bump it.
And he's gonna do a little booty bump.
Let me shake it. See if that works. Nothing.
We
Okay.
still got nothing.
One more trick. Get this little thing, put it in here. Sometimes the car doesn't think it's in neutral or something. I'm not sure what is going on.
And that's how you get a Ford Fusion from 2009 to start.